Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that chapter 5 of accountancy bank reconciliation statement video number 40. Here we go to discuss or solve one more numerical related to bank reconciliation statement, that is question number illustration number 3. Here we can see that the question, bank passbook of MS Bose and Company showed a balance of rupees 45,000 on May 31st, 2017, and here you can see that balance as per passbook. Okay, that balance as per passbook showing 45,000. This is on May 31st, 2017. Check issued before May 31st, 2017, amounting to rupees 25,940 had not been presented for the enhancement. That means some checks were issued by the company, but that checks were not taken to the bank for the payment. Next year, two checks of rupees 3,900 and 2,305 were deposited into the bank on May 31st, but the bank gave credit for the same in June 2017. That means here you understand that we deposited one check in the bank. On which day we deposited? On 31st May 2017. But bank wanted, bank collected that check and credited that is in our account also. That is when bank did June, in the month of June, maybe first or second or any other days. We are not bothered about that, not on this particular day. That means what you can understand? The amount is already came, but on which day we are maintained that the bank reconciliation? 31st May. On 31st May. So on 31st May, bank is not collected that amount. Okay, you understand from that. After that collected, maybe we made this bank reconciliation end of June. But date we got given, on which day we got given, that is 31st May. Then we have to follow that. On that day, whatever is happened, or up to that day, whatever is happened. That money bank collected on which day? June only. That is credited in our account. But in the month of June. But on which day we are doing that day? On 31st May. So on that day, bank is not credited that amount. Okay. Next is that there was also a debit in the passbook of rupees 2,500 in respect of check dishonor on 31st May 2017. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st May 2017. So one another is that one check is dishonor. When check is dishonor, you know that actually from our account we already added that amount. We deposited that check. Among that deposited check, if we deposited check, we will write that money received. But incidentally, what happened? That check is bounced. So we need to reduce it. So this we can solve, or we can solve. BRS on 31st May 2017. So here we start with the balance as per passbook. Passbook. How much is the balance as per passbook? 45,000. 45,000. Clear now? Next you can see that this we started with that bank passbook, not cash book. Okay. So when we start with that bank passbook, you can see that what amount we need to add here. Now we need to get the balance of cash book. We need to get that the balance of cash book. We are going back to that cash book balance from passbook balance. That means you understand that from certain places that these two are same. That means passbook amount and the cash book amount are same. That we are getting in the last as that same equal amount. No? That means in some point this passbook amount and cash book amounts are same. But rare case only we are getting that same amount. If there is no check and that is very rare case only. So we are adjusting that here. What difference we are bringing out. So here you can see that next is that check deposited. When check deposited for collection. That actually in our cash book that amount is recorded as that amount received. But in bank this amount is received. No. So what we need to do? We need to add with that bank in order to get that cash book balance. Okay. So we are writing that two amounts are there, two checks are there. No. As I said that we need to show here total amount only. We no need of showing that amount separately. We can show that amount directly. We can mention that check deposited but not collected by the bank. So two checks are there. That two checks amount we need to mention. And see that you also know that in question it is saying that June it is collected, but it is not collected on particularly this date. Okay, we are preparing on this date. So we are writing that total amount. How much is that? 6,250. So you understood this now? Next here, what is there? Check dishonor. So when check is sent for collection, you know that when we deposit, what we are doing that we write that in our cash book money received. Clear no? But actually that check is dishonor. That money we are not going to get. But we need to get now balance as per cash book. Clear no? If in cash book what we did, this 2,500 no? This 2,500 we increase it. So what we need to do here also, we need to add that check dishonor amount. Then only we can come to that what amount balance as per cash book. So we write here check this dishonor amount is at 2,500. Next what is there? Check issued but not present for payment. That you know that when check is issuing also at the same time in our cash book we are reducing this amount. Clear no? We mentioned that amount reduced and the reduced amount only can be seen. So, but according to bank that amount is reduced. No. In bank account that amount is not reduced. Only where it is reduced? In cash book. That means we need to reduce that amount from that bank passbook. Check issue but not presented for payment. Is that how much amount? 25,904. So any more transaction is there? No transaction. Only balance. So now the same procedure we will do. We will take that which side is more? This side, no? So we will take that this side total. How much is there? 53,050. the same amount we write both places 50 and difference we find 27,810. So this we will mention as a balance if everything happen normally, no, the balance will come as at 53,700, but it is not happen. So now at present what is there? Only 27,810 as per cash. Clear, no? Now we know that the cash balance.